Hi, my name is Kathleen Brooks, and I live in Cardiff by the Sea, and I've been here for 44 years.
Great.
I will probably work until I can't work anymore, and there's a part of me that just loves it, and there's a part of me that, oh my gosh, am I ever going to be able to retire? But I really, in the capacity where I work, I feel that I help a lot of women, and where I work, there's always a lot of hugs. And she's been very, very good to me. I mean, think about it. How many people have a car for almost 51 years? Isn't that amazing? And I'm trying to think when I called her Annie, because I think people had asked me, would you have a name for your car? A lot of people name their cars. And I said, yeah, her name is Annie. And it just came to me one day. Annie reminds me of red. She's red. Annie reminds me of Spitfire. She's Spitfire. My car is very personal to me because, number one, we've been together for so long. And if you think about 51 years of my life, you think about all the experiences I've had. I can remember coming back from chemotherapy and being stuck on, the merge on 5805 coming north, and just leaning my head on her, my elbow on her. I mean, she's been with me through everything. I've said before many times, she and I are so much alike because she's old, she's faded, she's dinged, she's dented, she's rusted. But you know what? She keeps running. She keeps running. And as long as I take as good care of her as I can, she's going to continue to run. I've had lots and lots and lots of surgery, a lot of infections, lots of complications. And yet I'm sitting here and I'm still happy and I still love life. So I'm thinking, wow, that's why I say if you have your health, you have everything. I'm really looking forward to her coming back.
Why?
Because we have history together. We have a lot of history together. And she's just been there for me.
Stand in the middle, Kathy? My name is Augusto Zamudio. I work for Volkswagen of Mexico. I am a mechatronic engineer. Annie is a very special car for Kathleen, also for me. I'm not the same person. Now I'm very happiness. This story begins in February, and when I've seen the car was with a lot of rust. So the process begins with disassembly the complete car. In the end, we have a very nice result, and you can see it right here. She's shiny. She's like a rock star today. I'm very proud. It's like a dream. What can I say? Kathleen, I hope you really enjoy this car. I have the opportunity to build my dream car with too much love for you. Please take care of her, and she's gonna take care of you. I think around 60 people works with Annie, and nobody says no when they look the project. Everything was exciting. Oh, it's a Beetle inside again. I can't believe it.
Oh, she sounds so good. Oh my God! Oh, she's beautiful! Oh my God! Oh, I never expected her to look like this.
Are you happy?
I just can't even believe this. Oh my God, look at her. Annie, look at you. This is what I dreamed of, but I had no idea she would look this good. I mean, let's say that on a scale of 1 to 10, I wanted a 10. This is like a 25. She's just so beautiful. She's so beautiful. The paint, the color's perfect. The entire interior has been redone, including the headliner. But I also noticed that they kept some older things like the knobs for the lights and for the windshield wiper, and they kept my old license plates. But they also did something just fantastic. I mean, everything is fantastic. I've noticed so many things, but they have embroidered or sewn into the leather Annie's name on one side and Kathleen on the other. So it's so beautiful. I can't even imagine. Well, I only had the feeling that this would ever happen to me. It was in my dreams, because I love old things, but they need to be taken care of. And I thought I've had her so long that I just couldn't part with her. And I could always imagine how beautiful she looked. I remember when I would just take the hose and wash her. The color was so pretty. I thought, oh, I wish you could stay wet. Anyway, this is, I just wish I had a garage to put her in. I really do, because she needs to be protected. She's just beautiful. She's so beautiful. I mean, she's amazing. I wish I could live another 50 years so I could have another 50 years with her. She's a lot of fun. She's just a lot of fun. I'm really happy she's back.